breaking all the rules. Whoa, getting crazy in here. Good morning. Today we are heading to an all-vegan bakery called Zachin, which means starter, so it's a cute name for a bakery. That's funny. I was filming you and then I fell. I thought you were just joking about slipping.
It's just slippery in here.
Oh, okay.
It's just ice. Careful.
No. I want to get one of these.
You want to get one of these ones?
Okay.
Smells nice.
Cool, so we got 3 things.
Taste test. This has like a
poppy seed.
seeds on it.
What is that called?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Never asked. I just like the look of it.
Okay. Is it good?
You want to try?
Sure. So this isn't like a Polish thing, it's just...
I don't know. I don't think it is.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's... That dough is really good. That place is sweet. It's really small. That's so good. Okay. So I think these are cinnamon rolls.
Is it good?
It's good, but it's not the cinnamon roll that I was dreaming of.
Oh, okay.
Because I wanted one where it's like the icing, like the cream cheese icing or whatever,
Oh, okay.
on top of it. But maybe that's just like an American style
I think it might
cinnamon
because
roll.
I've never had one with like cream cheese icing.
Yeah. It's still good. It's not as heavy.
Which one was better? The one that you tried? The other one that we got or this one?
I think I like the one you got better.
Oh, okay.
Because that was like a little citrusy. This is mainly just cinnamon. But it's still really tasty. I like the dough, but it's not what I was looking for. But whatever. It's vegan, so that's cool. It's still really good. Again, that whole place is vegan. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's cool that you can just pick whatever you want from there.
Yeah, it has to have the cream cheese icing, or like, you know, the vegan version of it or whatever.
Yeah, that's a cinnamon roll that I know.
Oh, you do? Yeah, okay. Good snack in the morning. So again, these are really good. They're just not the like American style cinnamon roll. So I was tricked. Still yummy.
I like them.
So I'm gonna be making our favorite sauce, and I've been making this every other day. I basically make like a double batch, and then that lasts us 2 to 3 days. But yeah, so what's in this sauce? It's leek, mushrooms, red bell pepper, carrots, 2 carrots, zucchini, about a cup of red lentils, and then we have tomato paste. I use like 4 tablespoons of that. 2 cans of diced tomatoes, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of basil, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons oregano, and then this veggie bouillon powder. So I use 2 tablespoons of that. And then water too, since we're not using oil. I just cook everything with some water. And yeah, it's pretty easy to make.
Food is on the way. Computer is working hard trying to export the video from the open mic. Probably gonna take about an hour to do that. We eat almost the same thing every day, and it's delicious.
Yeah, so we'll eat the sauce over pasta, rice, potatoes, couscous. So this will last us like 2 or 3 days, eating it twice a day.
And sometimes we combine starches too.
Yeah, like we'll have the pasta on rice or couscous.
Yeah. If we have some leftovers from one day, like pasta with sauce, but it's not enough for another meal, and we'll put like some couscous in it. Yum.
Yeah, so I'll mix these together and then let it sit for like 10 or 15 minutes, and then the noodles will soak up all the juice.
So, table's ready. Smells good.
Yeah, it looks good. Spoon or fork?
Spoon. Yay! Smacznego.
Smacznego. Yum.
Thanks for making
Oh,
food.
no problem. And we like putting soy sauce on everything.
Yes.
And all of this stuff is from the bulk bins.
Oh yeah, because this is from the little
Asian shop.
Asian shop, yeah.
And we figured out that these noodles are actually 1/4 the price of noodles in boxes.
Oh yeah, that's right. Those lentils are a lot better.
Yeah,
they just like
the red
mash.
One.
Really good.
Yeah, this is so good. It's like stroganoff, kind of. It's like this creamy sauce. But yeah, just awesome. Setting up the operating table.
Yes.
And so you're gonna be making this hole larger to put in the, what is it called? The pickup.
Yeah, the end pin for the pickup. Oh yeah.
And that's so you can plug it into your amp.
This is a very homemade way of doing it. So it needs to be like this.
Oh, bigger, yeah.
Bigger one.
So you are carving a dowel out of an old bamboo toothbrush.
This is just so I can center the drill bit on it. Goes in.
Oh, so you want it to come through.
Just want it like this. And then I can, see?
Oh, then you can like center it easily.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, that's not bad.
No. It's okay. Okay, that goes through.
And you sold your other acoustic guitar.
Yeah, it's in France. I think that's perfect.
Oh, and then the strap goes on here? Or no,
yeah.
This is for...
This goes here.
And then the strap can go too. Oh, so it does two things. Very nice.
That's basically what it does.
Anytime I film you like tinkering with something, it reminds me of working on the van.
This is the most dangerous part is done.
Oh, okay.
So now what I have to do is clean this all up and put the wire, measure out how much of the wire I need, and then like bunch it up and stick it inside.
Oh, okay. So how are you gonna get it to stick on the inside?
Gaffer tape.
Oh, okay.
If you do it to the side of the guitar, it doesn't have any effect on the
Oh, I
sound.
see. Okay.
Now this thing goes here. And we are done. Nice and tidy now.
Oh, I wonder if I put in too much water last time.
I don't know.
Because I just, when I checked it, I was like, oh, it's only 1.5 cups of water. So I may have put, oh, you're filming.
We also have a little heater because it's super cold right now.
But it's winter, I guess.
Today Lisa is making brownies because we have last of our nut butter to use.
And there is a video showing these
Oh yeah, you have a video.
lentil brownies, yeah. So
lentil
we're not going to
brownies.
show you play by play.
Sugar rush.
It is. Are there any other types of rushes out there?
I don't know. That's the rush that you can get on your ass sometimes.
It's a rash. That's different.
I know.
That's funny. Those should be sifted in, but we don't have a sifter. It doesn't really matter for these. We're breaking all the rules. Whoa, getting crazy in here. This is just to record my progress.
Yes.
So I can show how much I've advanced by the end of the year. Do you know this song?
I don't know what it is, but I've heard it. What is it?
Weezer.
Oh. Yes.
These are better when you let them cool completely. We're gonna watch a movie, so we want to have some.
Yes. There's no time for waiting.
The time is now.
The time is now, my child.
We eat the best food.
We do.
We always have homemade stuff.
That's because you cook the best stuff.
Thank you.
They're good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Time to watch movie. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. In next week's episode, we head to Athens, Greece. And this is the start of our 3-week trip where we're going to Athens, New Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, Udaipur, 1 day in Kiev, and then back to Athens. See you next week. Do something weird. Do it again.